Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hobirot from Shelter of Sursur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off with a curve at the top for the top of the head. Now from both sides, let's curve it down underneath, bringing it in. And then let's bring it down again and curve it towards the center. Okay, now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start at the bottom and let's draw a large curve up and back down. And then close it off with a curve at the bottom. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. Now top to the top corners and add the eyes. Let's start with 2 curves on an angle. And then let's curve it out and back down. And now color the eyes in black as well. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. On both sides, let's start with a small curve down and out. Now let's leave a gap and hop down and let's draw a small curve for the armpits. And then bring it down and in. And then down and in again for the torso. Now top in and let's draw the pattern on the belly. Let's start with a curve down and back up like this. Now from the ends, let's curve it in, bring it down, and a curve across at the bottom. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop underneath and add the legs. Let's start underneath the body and let's draw 2 curves going down. And then at the bottom, let's curve it back outwards. And then hop out and let's draw another long curve down. Now at the bottom of each line, let's angle it out. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the legs. Now top back up and let's draw the arms. Let's start at the armpits and let's draw a wavy line down. And now let's angle it back in towards the foot. Now top back up to the shoulders and let's draw a long curve down. And then close off the bottom of each arm. And that's it for Hobirot. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!